What's up, guys? It's Made by Chubb, and I'm back with part two. All right, on today's video, we're gonna be working with this gilded 50-50 shirt, which is 50% polyester and 50% cotton. We're gonna do the same process as the last video, same design. All right, here we have the design again. It's pretty much the same process. We're gonna be using 390 degrees again for 60 seconds. Only difference is the shirt, 50-50. Here we have it on a 50-50 shirt, which you can see it's slightly faded. Gives it more of a vintage feel. All right, now let's compare the two. Here we have the 50-50 shirt, and here we have the 100% polyester shirt. As you can see, the 50-50 shirt is a little bit faded, and after you wash it, it will fade just a tad bit. But this is so clear on the 100% side and will not fade during your wash. All right, there we have it. 50-50 versus 100% poly. Let me know what you guys think below. Can you tell the difference? Which one looks better?
Which one would you wear?
As you know, this shirt is available on trice.com. Go get it.